So in this video, we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, inside scroll down and look for the gestures. Enter it. Here first option is navigation mode. You'll be able to choose how to navigate your phone. You can either go for gesture navigations or 3 buttons navigations. You can also see the presentation on how each of the options work. Now let's go back and move to the sidebar. Here when activated, you should get the thing floating around your screen right here that you can flip, and that way you'll be able to access this sidebar and add or remove icons by clicking on this gear icon and open any apps much more faster or quicker. Then we have one-handed mode. When activated, it will allow you to basically cut your phone in half. That way in one hand you'll be able to access a notification panel. Next is swipe to split, and if we do something like this, it should again cut our screen in half, and in this case it's really hard to actually make it work. Let's try it again. Okay, so as you just saw, it's really hard to actually perform this gesture, but it will basically again cut your screen in half. That way you can open one app on the bottom and one on top, and you can use 2 different apps at the same time. Let's go back and move to 3-finger screenshot. If you put your 3 fingers onto the screen, you'll be able to take a screenshot. Then there's a double press power button to either launch camera or have it non-function. We're gonna go with launch camera, double press on the power key, and as you can see, it opens the camera. Next is press and hold power button to access your digital assistant, in this case a Google Assistant. You can also adjust the press and hold duration, so click and hold it for a few seconds and here's a Google Assistant. You can also go for the power menu. That way you'll be able to activate this power menu that allows you to power off your phone, restart it, make it on lockdown, or call emergency. And if you want to open this panel in Digital Assistant, you will need to press the power button and volume up button at the same time, like this. Now we can go back and move to the media controls. So to go to the next previous track, okay, learn more. So when the screen is off, we can press and hold the volume up key to play next track. We can do the same by holding we can play previous track actually by holding the volume down key, and if you want to adjust volume key, tap and release the volume up and down keys. So we just need to tap on them once, not hold them, to actually increase or decrease the volume. So this feature might be actually annoying. If you want to enable it, then it's your choice. Next is a quick launch. We can double tap back of our phone to perform one of the actions, and we can choose this specific action. Okay, nice. Right here. So go for the quick launch again. Then there's the gear icon in the bottom left corner, and here you can choose what the action would be. So for example, let's go with take a screenshot, because last time it opened a TikTok, but now it should take a screenshot and it works great. Then we have quick capture. So you need to twist your wrist like this to open the camera instantly. Then there's fast flashlight. You'll need to perform a chopping action with your hand, with your phone, and it should enable the flashlight. Lift to unlock. If you enable it, you will need to set up the face recognition on the phone. That way, when it sees your face, it should wake up the screen or unlock your phone. Then we have pick up to silence. If you receive any call and pick up your phone, it will silence the call. and flip for D&D. If you flip your phone screen to the table or any surface, it will enter do not disturb mode on this phone. And that's all of the gestures and motions that you can use on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.